Job Diva. People are talking. In Minnesota.
Our business model is set up so that we can quickly react to a variety of different types of staffing needs, not just one niche need like IT or accounting. We do everything from marketing. We actually have somewhat of a claim to fame that we actually found somebody to bring their dog and scare geese away from a pond on site at one of our clients. So we could pretty much find anything, and that's kind of been our niche in the market. A big piece of what makes Job Diva different for staffing, at least in my mind, is that it changes the entire process of what you do. Everything that you used to spend the most amount of time on, you spend the least amount of time on. I know when I started in the staffing, I spent a ton of time reading over resumes, a ton of time trying to, figure out whether or not this is the person to call. All that sourcing stuff, for the most part, is done automated. So I don't need to have a sourcer, I don't need to have my recruiters wasting time on doing a lot of the sourcing type things, which were, when I started, 75% of the job. Some of the pieces of Job Diva that are very useful for us: one, the spidering mechanisms that are involved with it. It allows me to allow each one of my recruiters the time to stay within the system and work with candidates rather than spending a bunch of time on each individual VMS site. And that spidering mechanism goes out and pulls that job and allows us to see that job just about every 5 minutes. So if there's any changes to that, I don't have to have somebody doing data entry, I don't have to have somebody checking it. It makes it much more efficient for me at managing it, as well as for the recruiters to go out and recruit those different types of candidates. But there's a couple of big tie-ins that, at least in what we've found in professional staffing, that job boards alone weren't giving us, and that was, one, the amount of years of experience. It took a human eye to go out there and actually look at every single resume and say, how many years have these people actually been around? Have they done whatever the skill set was for 2 years, a year, so on and so forth. The Job Diva tool actually allows you to do that right within your searches. So a human eye doesn't actually have to see the resume to make sure that you have somebody that has Java for 5 years or has been a CPA for 9 years, or whatever it happens to be, depending on the position. The biggest thing for the tool is that it allows for almost anything that you do within a staffing organization to be doing it within that system. If I'm keeping track of interviews, if I'm keeping track of statistics on what a particular recruiter might be doing during the day, when they are having success, when I'm keeping track of how many people are actually getting merges from us or getting an email from us, all of those things are all within one system. As far as Job Diva's support, and as far as it, getting started on Job Diva, one of the best parts I think that we found from coming from Bullhorn to Job Diva is that the support mechanisms are there when you have questions. They're the kind of people that are innovative and willing to listen to what changes you think might need to be made or adjusted. And also they seem to have the time to be able to explain why they've done something or why something has been implemented, so that you can make best use of that. Obviously they take all that input from all the different vendors or people that are using it and try to make it the best fit for all. It doesn't really take that long, and you start your staffing company gains in value. There's a ton of resumes that everybody seems to be paying so much money for at CareerBuilder and Monster and Dice and all these different places that come and go off of those databases. So if I'm looking for something next week and somebody took their resume off, I don't have that person anymore. The harvester that works with Job Diva goes out and actually allows me to build my database, substantially. I've actually even had, some other staffing firms in the Minneapolis market that, brag about how big their database is, and I can triple them in a couple of weeks. So, that data obviously creates a lot of value for the future of our organization.
Job Diva. Are you listening? Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Give us a call today at 866-JOB-DIVA to see why people are talking.